Hello to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Federico Bucchi. I'm an engineer and sales manager by Maggiolini Lame. And yes, I have a cap on my head. I'm sure that you are here to see something new and unconventional, so you will not be scared about some unconventional dress code. And so let's start with a little presentation of our company. Maggiolini Lame is working in Italy since 1952. The main products are shear knives and press brake tools, standard and special. And in our history, we already have a lot of success press brake tools, as for example, the first edition of tangential bending PBS PBE. Anyway, let's start with a presentation of the company. As I told, it's not working. Okay, thank you, sorry. Okay, so Maggiolini Lame is producing tools for cutting and bending metal sheets. And for example, our main products are shear knives, linear guide with standard tools, and of course, special tools. And for example, here in this page, you can see a lot of profiles that we, in 70 years old of experience, we resume the most common profiles requested by customers during these years. For all these profiles, we already have one or more solutions differently according to the needs of the customers. And by now, we are here just to present 3 new products that we have patented now, and so we are presenting in a way. So Maggiolini Lame is 70 years old, and we are going to present all the special press brake tools, exclusive products made by Maggiolini Lame. In this series, we have named the bending line Match Bend Sys. We included all these exclusive products we realized. For example, the first die we patented in the end of the 70s, PBS PBE. And the 3 new products that I'm going to present now that are the CAPTOOLs, that you can see the same. The reason I have the cap is the same, is the perfect gadget to describe this product. Then Simply Bend Tool, that is the main products we are presenting. And then the new one is now, that is very angle Match Bend Sys, that is a special matrix who can be managed the opening and also the angle opening with a millimetrical regulation. So let's start to see our 3 new products we are presenting in this show. You can see in our booth at Hall 15G, booth BG07. And so the first one is a Simply Bend Tool, the vari-angle, and the cap. So let's start with Simply. That is the first bending tool who can bend till 30 degrees angle all the thicknesses without marking, reducing the friction, not stretching the holes close to the bending line, not damaging oblong close to the bending line. And to get to 30 degrees is a very good thing, and it's the first die you can get that angle. This die is completely made in electro-erosion, and so with this technology we could make the special profile that are keeping the wings that are tilting, that can be done just with electro-erosion with no other way, so no grinding or milling. And so that's why we could make this tool and patented. The body is made in high-resistance steel, and the wings are total hardened like shear knives to get the best resistance and to reduce the friction. So let's see a little movie about one example. Can you play the video? Okay, here you can see one application by a customer. He had to bend 6 mm stainless steel without stretching holes and oblong. You can see now the bending of 90 degrees. And the customer was so happy to get the bend without no scratching, and all the holes and the oblong are completely bent. And so the customer could save a lot of money because earlier he had to make an oblong smaller and then going to mill it. And so very costly with one more elaboration. With this die, he could save it. This profile is also can be seen at our booth, so you can see with your eyes the result of this band. The second and newest product we are presenting at this show is the vari-angle. This matrix is a variable V-opening and angle with a millimetrical system. With a screw, you can manage millimeter per millimeter the V-opening, and so also the angle. So manage with a screw the V-opening, and then place some spacers under the wings. And the blue part you can see are the angle compensator that can manage every kind of angle on this matrix. One of the good things also of this matrix is that the compact size of the matrix, that for the same matrix now in the market, this matrix is much more smaller and taller. That's an advantage because you can make a much more higher counterband and much more easier to move and to manage for the users. Then it could be also make an asymmetrical quarry, as you can see in the picture. Asymmetrical quarry, of course, is needed to, for example, to bend the big thicknesses of metal sheets with short board, for example, to make the invitation of the calendar. So there are some application that also asymmetrical bending could be nice. This tool can be seen in our booth at all 15G09. Then the second tool that I have a cap in my head is this adapter. This adapter is used exactly as a cap, as you can see. You later can transform standard tools, single V matrix, into rolled dies. Rolled dies are very well-known matrices. They are needed to not marking the metal sheets, not stretching the holes, and they are reducing the friction, spinning. Every stroke of the press brake, the roll spin, and so reducing the friction. Advantage of using cap is that these adapters are much cheaper than every old classic roll dies. Then the site of the roll that are made in electro-erosion, the sites are completely closed, so the rolls can be extracted or inserted just by side, not by up and down like the classical one that were made in grinding. And so it is a very good advantage because sometimes the rolls pull out from the site and it was a problem for the users. Now it's no more possible. Then they are very, very little and can be adapted to every kind of single matrix, independently from the kind of a base. So Amada, Trumpf, Baylor is not needed because the caps stay up. And so the important thing is just the thickness of the metal sheet, of the matrix. Then another good thing is that it can be used also where all the single V die that users can have in his workshop and doesn't use anymore because they are damaged. So with CAP, you can reuse these tools. So in a green economy of recycling, it is a very good thing. Also, these tools can be seen and also can be tried at our booth because we have a press brake and we can test all the band. So you can see already folded metal sheets or just see making it right now at the booth. So to see all our tools, you can come to our all 15 stand G07 to test it and to see all the profile, all the advantages, and to not see all the mark we are left bending the metal sheets with this tool. Anyway, to continue all the demonstration in our booth, we can use it, all the tools. So if you have some question or want to see with your eyes what are the advantages of this matrix, you can come to our booth to test it.